Wow, I did not know that pill bugs could do this much damage until this happened. Hey, it's Paul here with Seedtime, and we're going to talk about how we survived the Pillbug apocalypse. At least that's kind of the word that comes to my mind, because I have never seen such a bad case of pillbugs or sow bugs, I guess maybe some people call them as well, in our garden until this year. And we had some problems with them last year. My parents had a row with some strawberries that had some problems with them, and they took care of them in the same way last year. But this year, they were on all our strawberry beds, including our row. And you can see in this little shot right here how they just literally would demolish the strawberries. They just eat them, and there would be dens of them. In fact, now that we took care of most of them, we don't have that big of a problem, but you can see here, I'm just gonna pull back some of this, and look at them. Look at them right down in here. And this is what it was like. You would pick up a strawberry, and there would just be, so you can see them all right down in there. There would just be like hundreds of them on the bottom of that strawberry. And it was just like a colony, and they were just attacking and eating the strawberries. And I mean, if we didn't do something, we weren't gonna have a strawberry crop, right? So how do you deal with pill bugs? So the first thing is, there's kind of two different things that we have experienced, or meaning my family / extended family, have experienced when it comes with pill bugs. One is they can get in, if you're starting little starts and they don't have a lot to eat or something, they can come in and they can actually just chew down your plants. And there's a very simple way that you can deal with that, and that is that you can make a little collar around the plant. You can take like a little plastic cup, like you can see here, maybe cut off the bottom, put it around your plant, make sure it goes down into the ground a little bit, so the pill bugs crawl along the surface of the ground, they hit the little plastic cup, they can't get to your plant, and then they won't chew your plants down. So that's kind of a simple remedy if they're eating like your little starts. But what happens if they're eating your strawberries or something like that? Because we can't like put plastic cups around all of our strawberries, right? So I'm going to tell you what we did. Here is our strawberry patch, and you can see the plants are doing quite well, and we have beautiful strawberries right now. So not only did we survive the apocalypse of pill bugs, but our strawberries are thriving, and we're not even seeing like any pill bug damage on them. So here is what we did. We took a product, it's an organic listed product to deal with pill bugs, and it's called Sluggo Plus. So it has like an iron phosphate, it's made for actually like killing slugs and dealing with slugs in your garden, but then they added, I believe spinosad is what they added to it, that will deal with pill bugs and earwigs, I believe, and maybe a couple other little bugs as well. In our case, it was pill bugs, right? So we ended up taking the Sluggo Plus and literally just sprinkling it around. So we would come to a plant of strawberries like this. And if I had some on hand, we ended up using it all up. So if I had some on hand, I would show you visually, but we would just sprinkle it around the base of the plant all the way around, and then we'd go to the next plant and we'd sprinkle it around the base of the next plant. Until we had gone down the whole row. And literally, just by doing that, it has dealt with our pill bug issue. And as you have seen already in just those little shots, we have like no signs of pill bugs. We still have some pill bugs out on the in the aisles, and probably have them elsewhere in the hoop house as well. But for now, we're not having any pill bug issues on the plants themselves. If you would like some Sluggo yourself, or some Sluggo Plus like we used here, jump down and we'll put a link in the description below over to our Seedtime Store, and where you can get some. And if you add in some seeds to your order, you can get a 20% discount using the coupon below. Got a special coupon there for you. So jump down, check that out. And also, we have a special Ultimate Garden cheat sheet that we're giving away as well. It's a quick cheat sheet guide that you can download, print it off, and it's got a quick guide for plant spacing and like how much you can expect to harvest, some quick links out to our favorite varieties of those crops and other favorite varieties, etc. So jump down, grab your free cheat sheet, grab your 20% discount, head on over to the store. And thanks so much for watching. Let us know what you think down in the comments below. Subscribe to this channel and don't let those pill bugs take over your garden. All right, we'll catch you next time.